writers. I just want to congratulate you for all the amazing opinion writing that you've been doing. I've been reading your letters, and you have definitely been using all the elaboration strategies that I've taught you. So give yourselves a little pat on the shoulder. Today, I want to teach you something else that's going to make your opinion writing so much stronger and really interesting for someone to read. So I have a new book today that I wanted to share my opinion about. And some of you might have read it already, but this is Horrible Harry in Room 2B. And this is the first Horrible Harry book in the series. And if you've ever read this book, I'm pretty sure you're going to agree with me that this book is absolutely hilarious. He does the most crazy, funny things, and he's always getting in trouble, but it doesn't seem to bother him. He just likes to do things to get people to laugh and think that he's funny. So I want to write a letter to someone sharing my opinion that I think this is a good book for them to read. So follow along with me today in the video, because today we're going to talk about how to write catchy introductions to really get your reader interested. Okay, so let's go. Today our teaching point is that writers write catchy introductions, and we can try 3 different things to help us in our introductions. We can talk to the reader, we can open up by asking questions, just like we've done in other genres, and we definitely have to make sure that we're naming our opinion. So first I'm going to talk to my reader. I need to know who my reader is. And I know another teacher in 2nd grade who loves funny, silly things. So I'm going to write this letter to Miss Ruiz. So dear Miss Ruiz. So I talked to my reader. I know who my reader is. But now I think I'm going to say something to her to get her attention. Well, I know that she likes funny stories. I know that she loves laughing, so I think I should say that to her. I'm going to talk to my reader. I know you love funny stories, and I know you love to laugh. So I'm talking to my reader. My reader is going to be Miss Ruiz. I'm talking to her. I know that she loves funny stories. I know that she loves to laugh. Maybe I can ask her a question. Maybe I could ask her, have you ever read a Horrible Harry book? Do you guys think that might be a good question? I'm going to try it. Have you ever read the series Horrible Harry? If not, you should read it. So I talked to my reader. I asked a question, but I have to make sure that my opinion is very, very clear. So let me name my opinion. I think you should read Horrible Harry in Room 2B. Most important part, I have to say why. Because it is a funny story, and Harry is a hilarious character. So writers, let's go back and look at our teaching point, and let's look at what our steps are. Our teaching point is that writers write catchy introductions. We do this by trying 3 things. We talk to our reader, we ask questions, and we name the opinion. Let's go back and look at my introduction, and I'm going to give a symbol to show that I did all of those parts. Let's see, did I talk to my reader? Dear Miss Ruiz, I know you love funny stories, and I know you love to laugh. Did I ask questions? Have you ever read the series Horrible Harry? If not, you should read it. Did I name my opinion? That's the tricky part. I have to make sure that I'm telling what I think or what I feel. I think you should read Horrible Harry in Room 2B because, now I'm saying why, it is a funny story and Harry is a hilarious character. So writers, today we're learning how to write catchy introductions to get our reader to be interested in our letter and to get them to have the same opinion that we have. We need to convince them. So I want you to make sure that in your introductions today, that you try these 3 things. Talk to your reader, ask your reader questions, and don't forget to name your opinion. So I want you to go to a piece of writing that you've already done, and I want you to read over your introduction. It's okay if you didn't do these 3 things in your other introductions. Today, you'll have the opportunity to go back and to rewrite your introductions, or you can start a new piece with the introduction strategies I just taught you today. So I want you to go back to a piece of your opinion writing, reread it, and ask yourself, did you do these 3 things? Did I talk to my reader? Did I ask questions? Did I name my opinion? If you didn't, no big deal. Go back and try those strategies today. If you did all of that, then try it again in a new piece for a new book. So writers, it's time to say bye for now, but make sure that you're completing your writing pieces and you're turning it in every single Tuesday and every single Thursday. Bye for now.